Welcome dear students to our Learn from Home session. My name is Kritika Suresh Lohar from the NR Colony Municipal English School number 1, and today we will see how to describe a picture. Many a times in primary classes and lower classes, teachers conduct this activity of displaying a picture and asking children to describe it. Small little kids find it really difficult and do not understand how to begin and how to end with it. And many times, standing in front of the entire class is requires a huge amount of courage, which small kids do not have. Most of the kids who are clever enough to talk in front of their friends can do it, but few students, even though they understand everything, when they know everything, they do not understand how to begin with this. So, in today's session, we will talk about step by step how to describe a picture, how to begin describing it, and how to end it. Right from constructing simple sentences and completing the activity nicely. So first thing first you're going to do is whenever you get to see a picture, observe it in a short span of time. Like for example, in this picture that you can see on the screen, there are 4 kids playing happily with the toys they have. There's a nice little house behind. There's a beautiful tree there. There's a parachute in the sky. There are birds. A boy here has a kite. He's really happy and enjoying. Girl is playing with a doll. Another boy wearing spectacles is playing with his toys. And a girl wearing nice little red color skirt has a stick in her hand and she's playing with her pet dog. So in short, we can say this is a happy picture, and this picture is all about children playing in the park. As you all can see, there is a nice little green color hill and there's a beautiful tree there. So children can say that this is a picture of a play park. There are few children sitting and playing. A boy is enjoying flying kite. A girl is sitting and playing with a doll. A boy has bought his own toys from home and is playing, and a girl has come to the park along with her pet dog and she's enjoying nice time with the dog. That's how in little short sentences you can finish describing pictures in 4 to 5 sentences. In other ways, in much simpler ways, kids can also say the sky is clear, there are very few clouds. It's you all can say evening time. Most of the kids go to park in the evening, so and there is no sun in the sky, so you all can say it's a evening time. Children have come back from the school and they have come to park to play. There's a little aircraft flying in the sky. There are very few trees, but the hill is covered with green grass. There are some white little flowers. Children are happily enjoying their playtime. There's a house behind, and there is a tree. House is surrounded with the fence. This is how you can also frame simple sentences. So dear students, if you have so much of time in the lockdown period, go through your old textbooks, collect beautiful pictures from your textbooks, old books, cut them, paste them in a nice rough notebook and start writing, describing and framing short sentences that will help you and give you nice practice when the schools will reopen after the lockdown period, you all will be able to show that book to your class teacher and she'll be really happy. So in this lockdown period, you can enjoy collecting pictures and writing about them. It's really a good task to practice. Thank you very much for listening to this video.